Now we have the G40. This box looks incredible. As you can see, it's vastly different from any other Gunpla box. And this came out from Bandai Spirits in 2019. And this was for the 40th anniversary of Gunpla. Pretty good amount of parts here. Just the multicolor to run it. So we have the manual. Manual's super thin, but these instructions look really, really good. Super easy to follow. Here, this is the reason why the box is so heavy. It's like a collector's manual. If you look at that, opening it up there, for inheritance and evolution. Not really sure what comes in here. Probably just the story behind this particular model and designing it and things like that, and what they wanted to explore. So I'm not gonna spoil the whole book right here. I'm just gonna go through a couple pages so you guys can go ahead and pick this kit up and enjoy it for yourself. So this is pretty cool. This makes it feel like it's really, really worth it. Alrighty, thanks for watching that small video. Let me know in the comments down below how you feel about this kind of artistic style of build video. As for a quick review of this kit, this is pretty much a collector's item in every way. The box art, the overall unique look of the model, the insane articulation, and the overall engineering behind it all, it's all definitely worth its price tag. If you can still manage to find one of these online somewhere for a decent price, I would definitely recommend it. Alright guys, thanks again for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, peace out. Interested in seeing more Gunpla content? Check out this video right here. Or if you're interested in some gaming content, go ahead and click this video right here.